right, so first we tried to use just regular Vaseline to stop the raccoons from climbing the downspout and getting to the gutter. I guess they don't like this longer run, but they did like the shorter run over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut off the front face of the downspout, let the water still run down the back or drip down inside. Most of the water should still be captured. If not, later on I'll probably put plastic across the front and the back just to make sure that the water is capturing into the lower spout. But what I'm going to do right now is just cut off a 2 to 3 foot section. And I'm theorizing that since they like climbing up here and they have opposable thumbs, they can actually climb up and grab onto this section. And once I cut it down, it'll be sharp metal left. There's nothing to grab onto. And they're just like us. They don't like touching stuff or hurting themselves. They don't like it to be too hard, even if it's cold as crap outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. So I cut across here. And then I've already cut that one up there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut down the side here. This goes fairly quickly. I'm gonna move the ladder on this one.
I'm gonna pause.
No. So I already did the front tube, and these are the sections that were taken out. And like I said, it leaves rough metal behind it. The reason why I'm getting so proactive with this is because we just came home today and there was a whole section in the middle of my roof where raccoons had dug up nails and plywood trying to get into the roof. And once they get in, it's hard as crap to get them out. So we're gonna try and stop them before they get in. That's the plan. So that's it. Hopefully it works, and if it doesn't work, in the comments I'll let you guys know. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and try and keep the raccoons out. All right, take care. Bye-bye.